Hello folks, it's Delon Jenkins here again today. It's a little bright out today. I'm coming to you today. I'm going to talk to you about why do people want backyard privacy. There's a few reasons why I think that backyard privacy is big. Even though you don't have anything to hide, it's nothing about hiding anything. It's just that sometimes you want some backyard privacy. You and the missus, you and the little lady over there, y'all finding something to sip on, and then people next door to you reading the labels or whatever you're sipping on, right? So, like the first thing that I can think of is relaxation. When you have your nice, secluded, serene backyard, you come home from a hard day of work or you're playing around in the yard and you come back and sit down, you might want to relax, throw something on the grill. You don't want, sometimes you just want to clear your mind. The second reason is a little personal space. Everybody likes personal space. You want personal space inside your house. Another reason is probably just outdoor living. When it's really nice outside and you got some bright sunlight, you might want to expand what you got inside to the outside. Have your deck, have some people over, and just have some of that outdoor living, fresh air, the wind blowing, that type of thing. Another reason, quite frankly, is security. Nothing should be back here on two legs that I don't know about. You can express yourself in your backyard. I'm in the backyard right now. And if you've seen some of my other videos, depending on where I am in the house, on the side of the house or the front of the house, my neighbors love to stop and talk. And I, quite frankly, like talking to them. But sometimes I want a little bit of privacy, so I come around into the back. And as I stated earlier, that connection with that special somebody. You want to talk about something in the family. You want to talk about something financial. I can pull down these blinds, turn the music up just a little bit, and we can have a nice private conversation, and get that us time, Backyard privacy is real important. So if you look at these shades that I got these from Costco. They run about 8 feet. When I got these shades, they were around $45 a piece, but I'm telling you, they offer a lot of privacy, and they literally scroll all the way down to the ground if I want. But I have hedges right here. So if you want some backyard privacy, I got those from Costco. They're not expensive, or they weren't expensive. Everything is expensive now. This is your boy Lon Jenkins. Peace.